In this video, I'll be showing you how to link text on Discord. You can use this in your info channels and messages to link to relevant information while hiding the linked text. Start by typing an open and close square bracket. Then follow up with open and close parentheses. Ensure there are no spaces. Then write the text you want to be linked between the square brackets. Now select between the parentheses and paste in your link. You will need to include the HTTP or HTTPS part of the link with a colon and slashes for it to work. When you send the message, you will notice that the text is now a clickable link, and the full link is hidden. However, you may still see the embedded preview. To hide the embedded preview, simply add an open and close pointy bracket on either side of your link, but within the parentheses. You will now be able to link text on Discord. Like the video if you found it helpful, and check out another video here.